Hello, hello. What is up? Welcome back to another live stream. Just give me a second because I might have an audio problem. I think I'm echoing a little bit. Just give me a second because I might have beautiful thing of going live. Sometimes I encounter issues. It happens. Okay, I think I solved it. Okay, let's start. How you guys doing? Today, I have a lot of exciting stuff to talk about. Because obviously, the market is still ranging sideways, right? But that doesn't mean that we're not finding very good opportunities in the market to print and to actually start building our portfolio that eventually is going to be worth freaking millions at the peak of the bull market into next year at some point. So, before getting to the live chat, let's actually get to this because I really want to mention Doug the Duck before anything else. A project that, oh my God, I got so much backlash out of this project in the last few weeks. I remember one JIT, and I actually made this post. Let me see if I can find it. But I made this post about, this is a true story. I'm not doing this for clicks or for fame, but just last week, I think it was, I don't remember if it was the live stream that I did on Monday or the live stream that I did at the end of last week. But there was a guy telling me, oh, these meme coins have all pumped. I've invested a lot of money into Doug, and it's the only project that is doing nothing. It's sitting at 1 million. I've lost money. Shame on you. And it's so funny, right? Because I've been in crypto for, what, 7 years, and I've been on YouTube for around 1 year, right? And in this year of YouTube, I've been called everything. I've been called a hero. I've been called a savior. I've been called a scammer. I've been called anything, right? But it's so funny that people are going to call me a scammer when Doug the Duck is here at 1 million. But right now, everybody calls me a hero. I'm the same person. I'm just giving my thoughts on crypto as usual, right? But this is not on me. This is on the people that have no patience. And the people that leave that sort of comment on Twitter, on YouTube, or whatever, those are the people that are going to stay poor. And for simple reason. Because Doug the Duck did pretty much nothing for how long? For 2 months. It was ranging in this area, in this very strong support area between 900K and 1.1 million, around that area, right? But then, obviously, people lose their cool, and then they sell at a loss when it's here. So just 1 second of silence for these people, because they have no patience. If you have no patience in crypto, if you're just chasing these green candles without any much thought behind it, you're just gonna stay poor. The real chads, the people that actually study a community, the people that actually study the content, study the sentiment, study what a community is building, if a community is based, if a community is building, if a community is actually building, okay? Doug has been building a lot. And as a result, I didn't care about the short-term price action. I kept my investment in. And then overnight, in just like a matter of 3 days, the price goes from 1.1 up to 2.7, okay? That is a 2.5x that is achieved in three days. So people are going to say, oh, you've been lucky overnight. No, I've been holding this project for the last 2 months because I know that they're building, and it's just a matter of time. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. But the majority of people don't understand this in crypto, and this is why the majority of people loses money in crypto. Are you surprised that 99% of people lose money in crypto? I am not, because then we see all this shit over and over again. The people just lose their cool, they sell at a loss, and then bam, the price pumps because they're stupid and they couldn't basically hold their horses, okay? So, this being said, Doug still sits as one of my top holdings at this level of market cap at least. Obviously, I have projects that I hold way more in terms of capital, but they're also maybe in the hundreds of millions, right? For something that is 2 million market cap, I have a very, very big bag of Doug the Duck, and they're doing everything right. If you study what they've actually been doing, they're even writing articles when it comes to recap. The community is super involved. They're doing a podcast now. They have some of the best memeable content, some of the best engagement. Even when do you guys remember a couple of months ago when the X account was suspended? They kept raiding, they kept ensuring, the devs kept ensuring people that they were working on it, they were doing their best. Now we have a podcast. We have the gaming night. We have the community Q&A, and they retweet my post. So shout out to them because they are G's. Guys, like seriously, like they're doing everything right. This is how a project should actually be. And they even put it that other than Ponke, I think that they are the best content that you can see on the Memecoin space right now. And also, we're going to talk about Swish because also Swish is getting there. It's getting at least to the top 3, right? So seriously, the people that are really holding onto their bags, they understand narratives, are the people that are going to make money in the end, the people that really understand what is going on. And I hear some rumors about centralized exchange listings. Some people are making hypotheses of exchange listings coming soon. I don't know what to say about that, but I definitely hope that it's true. I'm sure that they are able to list on centralized exchanges right now if they want to. They're just waiting for probably the correct market conditions. But the fact that we are just on a roll and we're seeing this massive green candle, the whales are obviously accumulating. And if they're accumulating when the market is bearish, you can't even imagine what this project is going to do when the market is bullish, once we have centralized exchange listings, etc. So I definitely wanted to bring this up because fucking hell, man, like a lot of people get it wrong, and we need to remind people of what this thing is about. Okay, all right. Some love for Doug the Doug in the comments. Let me know, do you guys hold Doug? I want to hear from the live chat, since obviously I suppose there are a lot of people that are regular in my live stream. Definitely hold the bag because I've been talking about it. I was the first YouTuber. I don't want to brag it. I don't care about bragging. I think that results and actions show way louder than words, but I was the first YouTuber talking about this project. I was the first YouTuber accumulating this. I bought this right now after, right there when it was like the first pump at 150K. And then I carried it all the way through up to 5 million. Okay, and you would have done so if you had been in my VIP group. So obviously we're going to talk more about my VIP group because it's always going to explode very soon, especially if the market turns green soon. So, and the alpha is there. The alpha is there. We're going to talk more about it. Obviously, if you're interested in joining, and you probably should, you shouldn't even question that because you probably would make your money back very, very soon, especially with alerts like this. And there was also an alert, another swing trade that we did the other night, and that was a proper swing trade. That is a long-term hold for me. I did the swing trade because I analyzed the meta. I know what the winning meta is. I've been now in crypto for so long. I know a winning project when I see one. I know a winning meta. I know a meta that wins when I see one. I know what the community is building. I know what is trending and what is gonna explode. And this is exactly what freaking happened with Dan, which is the guy in the hurricane in the US. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna be familiar with the story. I hope that the guy is still alive. I honestly don't know. I haven't kept up to the news today, but I made a 9x last night. So shout out to you, and obviously for non-crypto related purposes, I hope that this man is okay. All right, this guy speaks Portuguese. I speak Spanish, Italian, and English, but I don't speak Portuguese, my friend. Sorry. So use a traductor. You don't have Doug? Oh my God, bro. Stupid. He's alive? We have conflicting info, contradicting. I can't speak English anymore. I ran a phrase in Portuguese. I don't even know how to speak English. Some people say he's dead. Some people say he's alive. I hope he's alive. Anyway. Swish, just pump it. Swish team representing. We're going to talk about it because very good updates. We actually had new comment. Okay. I hear you. Let's talk about Swish. Swish, incredible new meta, first mover and on exploding Sui. Good tier content, 100x in comment, look no further. Only thing holding is back is the chart. Yes, so I want to talk about this real quick. And I'm not part of the team, by the way. Some people are thinking that I'm part of the team, but I'm actually not. I was one of the early investors. I got in between 5K and 10K market cap. So obviously, I'm going to disclose things when I do. But obviously, I know the dev, I know the team, and they are building a lot, okay? So I'm obviously wanting to help them because they deserve it, and I really love this project. I'm still fully invested into this project, and I am not selling. I'm probably not selling before 1 million, to be completely honest. So look at this. You know what the only problem is? Look, if I zoom out, it looks like a big L. There is a candle that went to 8 trillion. This is not the fault of the team. This is not because the team is sketchy. No, far from it. The only thing that happened is that a lot of projects that launch on Move Pump, which is the pump fund equivalent what's it called? It's the pump fund equivalent of SUI. The only problem here, guys, is that for whatever reason, there was a candle like that as soon as it listed on Blue Move, okay? It's what happens. Unfortunately, Dex Screener hasn't fixed it yet, but the community is really reaching out almost every day for Dex Screener to fix the chart, and I am sure that a dev of Dex Screener can fix this problem in a split second. So hopefully it's going to be fixed sooner than later. But listen, I was actually on the show of JR, on the Bitcoin show that he does every Wednesday. I was a special guest, a special co-host last night, and we were actually talking about it. Swish was there, and even JR seems to agree that we're really talking about this. We are buying heavy now because this is a blessing in disguise. Obviously, if an external investor comes and sees this chart, it's like, what the fuck is this? I'm not going to buy it. It basically looks like a rug. And in fact, a lot of people dumped at listing because they saw that here in the 1 hour thing, it says 99% down from all-time high. But that is not what happened. That was simply a bug. So for all of you beginners that are new to Swish, that don't know what happened, that haven't followed, that is simply a bug that was caused by the listing from Move Pump, which is unfortunate, but I am sure that they're going to fix it. Hopefully they're going to fix it. So you should see it as a blessing in disguise, because you can understand, you can do your own research, you can understand the value that this project have, and make your informed decision if you like the project. In my opinion, this is some of the best content that you can find on the internet. It's probably the best content that you can see on Sui. There's so many avenues for this to actually promote and make partnerships or even create content. So obviously we have the memes on the Sui ecosystem on one hand, then we have memes on other ecosystems. We have even real world athletes. Guys, just how memeable is this? It's freaking great. So if people don't understand the value of this, obviously it's on them, right? But listen, it's freaking huge. It's freaking huge. So this project is going to be huge. Study it. Study the meta. Study what they're building. Obviously, don't put your life savings into this. It's very high risk. It's 73K market cap. If people cheat, obviously it's not my fault. I hope that they don't cheat and they understand the value. I can tell you, I swear to God, I bought this at 5K. I still have all of my bag. I'm not selling anything, okay? So we're going to see a lot of developments on this. We're also going to go on the Miko Show JR next week as well. We're going to have the dev talking this time. A lot of stuff coming. I've seen some of the content that is cooking, and it's just freaking amazing. So maybe we're going to talk more about Swish later on in the live stream, but I don't want to take too much time right now. Okay, so let's go to some of your live chat. So say what's up in the live chat, and let's talk. Show me your bags. Tell me how you feel about the market. If you have Dog, if you have Swish, I want to hear from you. Ask me anything in the live chat, as always. Unrelated, would you mind sharing a bit of the life in Dubai? Is it nice? There's a very vague question. I think that Dubai is a place that a lot of people will love, a lot of people will also hate. It really depends on your lifestyle preferences. I can tell you that on a networking side of things, it's freaking great because you have the opportunity of really stepping up your business, especially if you are in crypto, but even plenty of other businesses like e-com or whatever, so many. And also in terms of lifestyle, there's a lot of good opportunity. Like, life is fun. Life is fun. I think the weather is also a bit meh. It's still so freaking hot. But other than that, it's great. And there's great people that you can meet here, that's for sure. Hey, Sipra, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Thank you for asking. So basically, on Nav, as Nav is asking me, on Thursdays, the way that I do things and the way that I'm going to structure things moving forward, I have the public live stream at 7 p.m. UTC, 6 p.m. UTC, whatever that is. And then as soon as it ends, I have the private one with the Discord members. And I run that once a week. Okay, so, but first, there's the public one. Obviously, if you see it on YouTube, it's public. If it's private, it's still going to be on YouTube, but you're not going to be able to find it. Swish, not swash. You have spoken. I can't read that alphabet. But shout to you, bro. You're right, Hot Spice. Doing very well, bro. Real talk, yes. That is one of my favorites. I think it's a sleeper. I don't think it's a sleeper today, but it was definitely a sleeper a few days ago. And the people that have been sleeping, they are definitely crying right now. If you are a sleeper on that duck, you are crying right now. So I'm very sorry. No, I'm not sorry. I'm not going to say I'm sorry because I've been talking about this from June? Since June? When did this launch? I've been talking about Duck since the end of May. So I'm not sorry if people faded. I go live stream several times a week and I've been saying the same shit. Come on. Ash, good to see you. Managed to catch another live stream. I'm on a roll. Good to see you again, my friend. Remember the sweet meme I was telling about Tinkle? Oh yeah, I read your comment. Let's take a look. I didn't, maybe somebody followed your signal in my previous live stream. I personally didn't buy it, but yeah, it's been pumping like crazy. I think that since you mentioned in the last live stream, it went 3x. Is it possible? Yeah, I think that you mentioned it when we were, why is this lagging? Okay, I hope you can see it fine. Anyway, I remember that you mentioned it was like 400 something and it pushed up to 1.6 million. I told you I liked it. I was just a bit obviously conscious that it was already a higher market cap. Congrats to who followed. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I'm going to research it a little more, that's for sure. But it's looking good, looking good. The chart is probably due decent correction. We'll see. All right, we have the retard comment of the day. These meme coins are making millionaires by dumping on all. You are probably the same person that just asked me about Doug not doing nothing. And then, I mean, the last live stream, I said the same exact thing. And then Doug went doing a 2.5x. So if you didn't listen to me, which, by the way, you're free to do whatever you want with your life, you faded on a 2.5x. Nobody's dumping. The chart is there. It was a 1 million. My bag was there. My bag's still there. And it's 2.5x up. So you're free to hate. I don't care. I'm here making money. My community is making money. My community is happy. Everyone's happy. The hate, I just shake it off the fuck. All right. Oh my God, man. I've been holding Doug for a while. Another great shout out from you. Good to hear, bro. Good to hear. That's amazing. By the way, you took some profits on Tinkle. That's great. Absolutely. Obviously, take your profits when your profits are due. And well done for you for the play, man. Great play. We should follow. I can't catch them all. Swish, just pump it. I like what you're saying, bro. I like what you're saying. Maybe we're going to talk about Swish a little more towards the end of the live stream. Maybe we're going to do some sneak peek of content. We'll see. We're going to see all that. Let's keep an eye on Wally. Wally on Sui. I don't know what the project is, but I like the ticker. I like the ticker, Wally. 200K, let's see. When did it launch? So this launched today? Okay. I mean, the chart was healthy, correct. It was pretty much a uprising wedge, corrected already. 200K market cap. I would have to study the community a little bit, but it's trending, so that's also a good sign. Got meme contest. I mean, it's a whale. Just the concept of a whale on Sui is a good option. They definitely bought traffic. There's no way that this has 270 likes. It's a bit sus. They can't have that many likes, but maybe they're just a very base community. I'm going to research it. I'm going to keep an eye, but yeah. I do have meme coins on Sui, but I don't have meme coins from Sei. I think that Sei is quite dead when it comes to meme coins. What's the volume? Bro. Oh my God. In the last 24 hours, there was a total 3 million volume in the entire ecosystem of Sei. It tells me that it's quite dead, so no thank you. But on Sui, I definitely have some bags. I can tell you that at the moment I hold 2 meme coins on Sui. One is FUD, the pug, and the other one is Swish. So one into the high risk category, small market cap, and one in the top market cap of FUD. I don't even remember how many X's we've done in my group, but we're up a lot in FUD. Let's see. Obviously, now it corrected a little bit. We did, I think, a 5x. We bought it around 10 million. So yeah, we did around a 5x. So congrats if you guys follow this alert as well on FUD. 5x? That's good. This is more like a long-term play anyway. Yeah, I honestly didn't even sell anything. I'm not selling. I know this is for the long term. I don't want to stress. Obviously, there's a lot of bags that I swing trades, but this is not on my interest. Still holding my Swish bag. You're a legend, bro. Comment miss. I miss no comments, my friend. It's just that there's a lot of comments, so I'm not going to be able to read every single comment that I see on this live chat. If you really want 100% of your comment guarantee, just drop a super chat, and no disrespect, I'm not going to read it. Just joined your channel. What's up, man? Welcome. When the best time to dug? I know that I'm getting these questions. I know that I'm going to get these questions, okay? So, obviously, I would be just a grifter if I told you now to buy Doug. I'm not going to tell you to buy Doug now. I'm telling you, what the hell were you doing in the last 5 months that I've been talking about this, okay? Because I've been talking about this for 5 months. Maybe you just find... Oh, you said just joined your channel, so you're excused, okay? You're excused. You just joined my channel. But I can tell you, obviously it's stupid to buy today. Wait for a bit of a retracement. When it comes to these small market cap memes, and I'm talking about the generalization, okay? I'm not talking about Doug the Duck specifically. Always buy when it's double-digit red days. Buy the fear. Buy the FUD. Right now, we're very much in the green. It's not a buying zone for Doug the Duck. I would say that from now, if we go back to at least this candle, so that would be around 2 million. Yeah, maybe here, or otherwise you can go to the next sort of support level, which would be pretty much this area. So yeah, I would say one of these two areas right here, man. It will be one area here and one area there, okay? Those will be your two areas for accumulation. So wait for a retracement and perhaps take some profits if you're so much in profit right now. For the obviously not for you, for the guys that have been into this investment for a while. But anyways, you're excused just because you just discovered my channel. The people that have been watching my live stream for the last 6 months are not freaking excused. Okay, let me see if I skipped so many comments. I'm sorry. Thoughts on Hippo? Hippo? Okay, so I guess it's the mood angle Sui. Let's see. Wow, how much did this thing pump? I think this dies. I don't think this survives, to be honest. It's too big. Pumped too much. No, I'm bearish on this. I mean, think about the Mudang. Did that die already? It's not trending anymore, this kind of meta. It's not trending anymore. So, I mean, to be honest, Mudang could have a sort of double bottom. Okay, if it has a sort of double bottom here, it could also pump again. But I just don't see that much hype. The fault of this project is that it just pumped way too much. But wait, is this the one? Or was that on Ethereum? I don't even remember, bro. Which was the one that pumped the most? No, it was definitely the one on Solana. Anyway, the fault of these projects, in my opinion, is that they pumped so much so quickly. And then, I don't know, maybe a small gamble. If this pumps, I can tell you, if this pumps, then the one on Sui is also going to pump because it's going to add to the entire narrative, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I just wouldn't touch it. I just wouldn't touch it. It's too risky. There's projects that are better fundamentally, that have better narratives, better content. If you're buying something that is already high market cap on Sui, but is this the biggest market cap on Sui right now? It's fucking crazy, man. Listen, you can buy FUD that is like 1/4 of the size of this. You can buy Blub on Sui as well. There's so many other investments. Look at Blub is 40 million. It's like 1/3. There's so many projects that I would buy over that thing. So now. Oh, so many comments on it. Okay, Zion. I remember your name. You have been following my channel. So while the previous person that asked me about buying the duck now is excused because he's new to my channel, I know that you've been following for a few months, at least. So you are not excused. Stupid. What were you doing when I told you that I was buying the duck when it was 1 million? What the hell were you doing with your life? Okay? This is what happens to you if you fade the alpha. Seriously, bro. Don't ask me after they pump. Ask me when I'm accumulating them, when they're not pumping. So when they pump, you can celebrate with me. Okay? I'm happy. I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars out of duck today. And as a result, I'm happy. You would have been just as happy as I am if you had followed my alert. All right? So don't ask me now. Yes, wait for a correction if you don't have it now. But you're not excused, bro. No sympathy for who faded and has been following me for so long. Wayne King? I don't even know who that is. Who's that? KOL? I know you're new to... Even if you're new to crypto, bro, you've been watching my live streams for a while. You're no excuse, I'm sorry. Is this the right CA for Swish? Let's find out. 791 Swish. Yeah, it is. It is, bro. Oh yeah, fair enough. It's definitely undervalued at 70K. Again, it's mostly just a matter of people being scared of the chart and people being uneducated or people just not doing enough research, which fair enough, right? There's so many projects in Memecoins right now that is very overwhelming to keep up to speed with everything. So I'm not even mad at those people, but just, yeah, something to be aware about. Something to be aware of. Self-flex, I know you're trolling me, my friend, but 10x coin for tomorrow. Imagine doing a 10x overnight. Bro, if you still be in my private group, you would have gotten a 9x in one day. So you would have still gotten that, to be honest. So you deserve a stupid button. What is going to do 10x tomorrow? It's very hard to say. But I can tell you, let's see. I'll tell you this, though. I'll tell you this. If some of the rumors that I've been hearing about ducks are true, I think that it could do a 10x sooner than the majority of memes that are on this list. I can tell you that. But when it comes to higher, I don't know. I don't even know other caps. I still think the DAG is going to be probably one of the easiest 10x to make in the shortest time span. So fuck it. Nice dip to buy Wolf, Land Wolf. Let's take a look if it's a nice dip. I'm not sure if it is, but I'm going to take a look, bro. I got you. $50 million. Yeah, it's forming a double bottom. So yeah, it could be a good buy zone. Thanks, broski, but tell me this. When did you get 100x on Fox? I did around 100x for some of my bag on Fox, believe it or not. You were there, so I'm not sure why you're asking me, but I'm going to show you the chart. I'm going to tell you. Let me see if I can find it. Based Fox? I don't even know how to find it anymore. I'm going to show you if I can find it. I can't find it for whatever reason. Did it disappear, that screener? Bro, send me the CA and I'm going to show you. Because I'm not lying. I never lie. Because I remember that we bought it at 10K. We bought it at 10K. So if you make the calculation, I think it was like something like between 90 and 100x on the back. Because I got in at 10K and it almost touched the 1 million. So it was pretty much 100x. Obviously, I didn't sell all my bag at 100x. I would be lying. But I sold a very small chunk at that level. But I can't find the CA, but anyway. I swear to God, I mean, you're seeing my screen. I typed Fox, I can't find the chart. Maybe it got delisted, I don't know. What's up, Gennaro? Good to see you. I'm very good, how are you? So Samu Dag at 2.6 million. You're excused, I just hope that you bought 1 million or below. And enter again at 2.3. Okay, that's a very risky swing trade, but fair play to you. You've gotten 10% more token if you put the same amount of money. Love Doug, LFG. Check out Tsunami. Okay, this is interesting. I've seen this project and it's interesting. I don't remember the market cap though. 4.4 million. Absolutely sending this one. Absolutely sending. Absolutely sending. Look at that. Look at that. Obviously, buying right now is a suicide mission. I would not recommend buying now, but it's a good content. It's a winning meta. This is honestly one of the main ways that I evaluate projects. How's the content and how's the community? Content, community, and then promotion is important. Obviously, KOLs, the right support and right coverage on YouTube, that is very important. But I think that the main things are really content and community. So I can't really say much about the community of this project because I haven't gone into the Telegram. I haven't really researched it that much. But the content of this project, top notch. It blends Sui, Water Team, obviously Tsunami, Water, and Shiba. Winning. Okay? Easy. Very easy. I think this project is going to go, it could even go to 100 million. I'm just not going to buy it right now. Selfless made 100 GBP in the summer. Shout out to you. You can buy quite an expensive steak in central London. Let's see. What was my favorite restaurant in London? The Blacksmore, Canary Wharf. Very good steak. I think that 100 quid can get a very good one, perhaps even some Italian wine or Argentinian. I do recommend Malbec from Mendoza. Oh, Gaucho. Gaucho is also good. Yeah, probably my top two. I got this L comment. L. Stupid. You looked into when? No, I haven't, to be completely honest. Sorry, bro. I'm a very busy man. What was that? Oh, yeah. The cat thingy. I mean, the community is strong. It's pretty huge. Yeah, I remember looking into it. I think it's going to do quite well. So this guy is saying that he quit Memecoins to trade gold. My friend, how can you compare? Is there people really comparing trading gold with trading Memecoins? I think that even me, that I trade Memecoin on a daily basis, I'm aware that I'm trading absolute garbage. Okay? But I know that I make money with it, right? Trading gold, you can't compare a freaking commodity with a Memecoin. Bro, get out of here, man. My Doug bag has tripled. Shout out to you, my friend. Is this a good time to take out my initial investment or hang in there for a while? I mean, I'm gonna keep it real with you. Like when I do a 3x on Memecoins, that is usually when I take out my initial investment. So normally I would say yes. Obviously, do whatever you want. Don't take this as financial advice. But with Doug the Duck, I would probably be aware of some announcement that could be the trigger catalyst event to actually raise something bigger. Because obviously, if tomorrow they announce a big exchange listing, then the price keeps running up until then, and then you can maybe swing trade a little bit surrounding an exchange listing, take out your initial investment if they list on an exchange. But if you think that, if you're on the other end, you think that Doug is not going to list on anywhere for the foreseeable, if you think that Doug doesn't really have a lot of catalyst events, then in that case, I would say take out your initial investment. So I would say figure out how you see the very near future of the project, and then figure it out yourself based on that sort of information. That's the best advice that I can give you on not the financial side of things. Times is moving mad. I know that Times has been dumping. I'm not sure. Selfless, given that you're not in my VIP and you're probably not aware of the FUD that this project has had, why did they make the chart look like this? So I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna give you some alpha, and I'm not sure if you are aware of the things that happen with Times. So what happened is that I don't know if it was the Cetus liquidity pool or another liquidity pool on a DEX, but it was essentially fake. And some whale looking to manipulate the price basically added funds to the liquidity pool to manipulate the price, but basically the pool was fake, and those tokens were essentially fake, and this is why Times dumped like crazy. I think that they solved the issue already. I'm not really following that much myself. Yeah, exactly. So you can see it, that you saw something for yourself. So yeah, basically it just went crazy because of it. I'm not sure if they fixed it yet. I need to ask some of my members that are actually investing into this. But after they solve this, I think that the project is solid. It's just that it's a shame that thing happened, but I'm sure that it's gonna be solved and it's gonna pump. Guys, just remember that this is one of the 2 titles that is gonna be available on the physical Sweep Play device, that you're gonna be able to just freaking play Web3 games on a physical device. It's gonna be freaking huge. Did you hear the FBI is investing influencer rugging coins? I feel that the FBI should really investigate the people that are just like snipe and then dump on their community like it happened. Like my community was victim of this because of a very well-known scammer that has been exposed. So I hope that the FBI investigates those kind of people, and that it should be more and more regulated. I'm sure that a lot of people are going to get out of business, and thank God for that, because we all need that. We all need those bad actors to be out, so that also KOLs that are honest don't take the blame just because they are the public figure and they take all the blame. Let's give all the blame to all the people that need to be blamed and the people that are actually bad actors, and then instead of them running to Thailand because they want to hide from everywhere, you know? So yeah, I'm freaking glad if the FBI locks these people up. What do you think about Dark Knight first dog on the KRC20? I gotta keep it real with you. I'm not so interested into KRC20 memes right now. I think that we are still at such an early stage. I am sure that people could be seeing a very good opportunity for making money, but I just don't see that as becoming a big thing. I just don't see that. I think it's just gonna be a fad. I might be wrong. That is just my own opinion. So Caspa Maxes, don't come at me. I mean, come at me if you want. I don't really care. But I think that Sui memes, Solana memes, and even base memes, as soon as there's actually some updates in the market, are gonna really send. The Caspa memes are they're not of my interest right now. But I think that at least Nacho should be doing well because it's the like main one. Pug Whiff. Yeah, it's pretty good. Come on, you can't say that Nacho is the next Shiba. You can say that it's the Shiba of Caspa, I'll take that. Bro, respectfully, you just spam me like 10 different projects. I'm gonna read one. I'm gonna go to one. What? Is that even a project? Bro, what's wrong? Xverse, EXVG. I think this project had terrible vesting. It's a gaming project that was quite dead. By the way, how do you guys feel about CoinMarketCap updating their UI? Because I think it's better, but I find it so confusing because I'm so used of years using the previous one that it actually is freaking the hell out of me. I don't know. Anyway, EXVG. It's half a mil right now, and the chart looks very ruggy. Obviously, it's a project that launched in a very unfortunate time for the gaming market. But I can tell you that this project might pump if gaming really comes back. But before these moves, I'm already going to have made a 50 to 100x on the majority of my Bitcoin. So I give it a pass for now. Maybe I'm going to reconsider this project if I know that gaming is actually coming for effect. But the fact that this project is so down from all-time high, the fact that the vesting, every time the vesting comes, obviously people are going to take their profit. And I actually think that this might have daily unlocks. I don't remember on top of my head, but I think that this project had daily token unlocks. So not good. Tu sei italiano palese, hai ragione. Natural Billions program, come on man, be real. Cipro, Kai, good to see you here. Suriname, we talked about it. Oh guys, I almost forgot. I actually am gonna give you some alpha today that I sent earlier to my VIP group. Today I am in a very good mood, so I'm gonna give you some actual free alpha. So I did this thing that is gonna give me free money. Okay, I'm not sure if you've heard about Cats. It's a new project that is pretty much a farming project, which AI engagement thingy that is integrated within Telegram and Twitter. You can just make free money by sharing pictures of cats. I'm not sure if that's your thing. Let me know down in the comments if you're a cat or a dog person. I'm definitely a cat person, so I might actually be looking into this. But jokes aside, if you register on Bitget, you can actually take part to the launch pool. The launch pool is pretty much a liquidity farming thing. You could see it very similar to staking. And if you register with my link, which is going to be down in the description, other than the 10,000 USDT position airdrop that you can be positioned, you also can take part to the Cats launch pool. And you can put up to $2,000 with basically no risk. It's just staking USDT on the platform for 1 week. I think that there's a couple days left, so you should probably be getting there sooner than later. You get a 38% APR in the airdrop. 38% APR for free in the Cats token. That is freaking huge. So you lock up to $2,000 in USDT. You get an equivalent 38% APR on the value on the Cats to be airdropped to your Bitget wallet. That is huge. I'm personally not a new user, but I'm doing 49 on the BGB with the BGB token, okay? So BGB. So you stake USDT if you're new, you can do it. Otherwise, you can stake BGB. And then after 2 days, because it ends in 2 days, you get free token of the Cats thing, which is freaking huge. Like, it's free money. I'm literally giving you the opportunity of free money, okay? All you have is register through my link. You can also take part to this thing for free. That's amazing. And then go to the launch pool, stake your USDT or your BGP for a couple days, you get free tokens, okay? That is pretty huge. So obviously, I'm giving you some free alpha today. You are very welcome. Now, let's bring back the top altcoins here, because I haven't put this chart yet today. What do we add something, chat? Do we add something? Do we add something? Let me think. I added Swish, right? Did I not add Swish? Oh my God. I'm going to put Swish. Swish still doesn't make it to my top 10, you know, but I'm still going to put Swish into the good ones. Maneki. Maneki, I'm going to put it into the okay. I don't think that it deserves to be into the good. I think it's a bit hit or miss. Although I am a cat person, and we're seeing mixed opinion in the chat, I still believe that Maneki doesn't cut all the boxes for me. I'm going to put it there. I still think it's worth researching. Tucker. Tucker needs to be in the good. Go put Tucker there. Best RWA coins. I like Prop Chain for real estate. That's pretty good. Swarm Market is also pretty decent. Rio, maybe. And then I have one, but it's still a secret to my VIP group. So you're going to have to join the VIP for that. Which leads me to the next point that you should probably guys join. If you're looking to see all of these gains. Listen, like, hear me out. If you had been in my VIP group yesterday and you had put $100 on this, you would have made $900. You would have paid half of a lifetime of membership of free alpha. Like, what the hell, guys? You would have made $900 out of putting $100 yesterday with one single trade. One single trade. If you put $1,000 into Duck the Duck a few days ago, you would have made $2.6 thousand in 3 days. That would have paid more than a lifetime of membership. That's huge. So people ask me, why is your membership so expensive? Because I'm giving expensive alpha that is going to make you freaking money. Okay? People actually make money here. So obviously it's going to be expensive. And then you can pay back in a few days. For a lifetime membership, not for a month. God damn it. For just following 2 or 3 alerts. Freaking crazy, man. Crazy. Does Bitget do KYC? Yes, it's a KYC. It's KYC. There's also ways to get around KYC, which we can discuss in my VIP group, that some people are using. There is also why I give alpha on every sort of things. You look tired? Bro, it's 10 p.m. It's late. No, but you know why I look tired? It's because I'm using a new camera, and it's actually making me look a little darker than what I am. So that's probably why, like, my facial features look dark. I don't know. Not feeling the pump this week. LFG, man. LFG. Water on Sui, it has potential, yes. I mean, water. Sui is the chain of water. Sui means freaking water in Japanese. Japanese? Or Mandarin? I don't know. Some language from Asia. Yeah, I think that Wolf should list on a tier 1 when the time is right. This is definitely not the time that is right, but yeah, it's going to do very well. I gay? You gay? Who's gay? I gay, OFN, AI Tech, and Blender for AI. Very good picks. Very good picks. Do you want me to add more? I don't want you to do anything, my friend. You are the judge of your own decisions, but I can tell that I really like them. There's one that I like more than the picks that you said, which is Tars AI. I would have probably gotten Tars AI instead of instead of Blender. I did a top 3 AI projects the other day, and they were no, I got Delysium. I didn't put OFN. I got Delysium, AI Tech, and Tars AI as my top 3 AI projects, with OFN being an honorable mention. Blender could also be a second honorable mention, so I like it. I don't think that you should diversify too much, bro, depending also on your portfolio size. Yeah, that screener has really got to fix the freaking chart of Swish. And then, but it's also, as I said, it's a blessing in disguise, because if people keep accumulating before the fix takes place, then when the fix is actually there, people will FOMO and you're going to be in a lot of returns. It's very important. So the best pin coins to pick up right now, Keycat on base, flop on base. I'm not really interested into base meme coins right now because the volume is just not there, man. There's just no volume. So if there's no volume, projects become boring. What's Swish market cap again? Swish code. Holy shit. What's up, guys? Thank you for being here. It's crazy. People discover more and more about Gem. Guys, the rating, as I said, the top 2 things, I said it earlier, guys. Content and community. Then promotion and KOLs just come after. Look at Duck the Duck. Duck the Duck is all organic. They're not paying a single KOL when it comes to Duck the Duck. So content Community. Fire content, community of chads, go to the freaking stars, like full send. I don't think Bitcoin is going down because of Israel today. I think that Bitcoin is going down because there was some inflation data for the US. The inflation was 2.4% instead of 2.3, which was higher than anticipated. And I think it's more macroeconomical factors. If you are in my VIP group, we're also talking about these things. There's a few very deciding platforms that are going to be into the next 1 or 2 weeks that are going to be very impactful to what the short-term price action of Bitcoin and as a result of the entire altcoin market is going to be. Oh, GigaChat. GigaChat is there, bro. Can you read, man? Stupid. It's there, man. Bro. JLP? Is that a meme? No, I don't know what that is. Is that a coin? Let's see. Other alpha for we quit the stream. Donald Trump on Solana. I mean, I'm gonna take a look just because it has the Trump ticker. It's also generic though because there's too many Trumps on Solana. That's a really ugly chart. It's like a massive head and shoulders. Yeah, I don't know. It's so funny that you asked me about Solid because I'm actually hanging out with the CEO right after finishing this live stream in real life. So shout out to Simon. I'm not sure if you're watching, but I'll see you in like 1 hour. Yeah, Solana ID, we put it... Bro, it's here. It's here in the top alts. I didn't forget about Solana ID. Solana ID is here in the top altcoins. Bro, come to Dubai and you can come smoke shisha with me and Simon. Come to Dubai, Habibi. What's your 1 rep max bench? I don't really test my 1 rep max, but I can tell you that I can do 100 kg for 11 to 12 reps. So maybe you can make the calculation. My God, you gotta love the cult, guys. Gotta love the Swish cult. Love it. Tell me what is so special about Caspa. Check my video that I'm gonna post in a couple of days. You're not as strong? Oh my God, bro. Show me that you're benching more than me and then we'll talk about it, my friend. All right, guys, it's getting late and I need to go live with my private group. So I'm going to quit this live stream, the public one, and I'm going to jump into the private one. I thank you so much for watching until here. Obviously, as I said before, don't miss this passive income opportunity. I brought a lot of free alpha today. And obviously, I'll see you in my VIP group. If you want to make money, if you don't want to make money, then don't join. But if you want to make money, I should probably see you there. All right? Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good rest of your day. Ciao.